Dear students, in this video, we are going to revise our topics which we have done earlier. So, the first question is how we find the successor of 195. Successor means the number that comes to the right hand side of a number. So, to make or find the successor, we will have to add plus 1. It means we have to add 1 to the given number. So, for the successor, I will add 1 in 195 and my answer is 196. Now, similarly, the successor of minus 93, this is integer. Now, I will again add 1 to minus 93. So, its answer will be minus 92. Now, predecessor of 45. Predecessor is the number that is to the left hand side of the given number. So, in order to find the predecessor, we will have to subtract 1 from the given number. So, I will subtract minus 1 from 45. Therefore, the answer will be 44. So, required answer is 44. Now, predecessor of minus 13. Now, again, I will subtract minus 1 from minus 13. So, as per the rule, this is minus, they will be add in numerically and the common symbol will be there, that is minus 14. So, in this way, we have learned how to find the successor and the predecessor of a given number. Now, we have to write the place value of 4 in 56,423. So, in order to find the place value, we just have to notice that how many digits are there after that particular digit. That is 4. Here 4 is a particular digit and I will write this 5, 6, 4, 2, 3. Firstly, I will write this and after that I will mark here and count the number of digits after this marked number. Marked number is the given number for whose the right place value have to be find. So 4, 0, 0. As there are 2 digits, therefore the answer is 400. Therefore, place value of PV, it means place value of 4 in given number is 400. So, now write place value of 3 in 8,03,047. 8,03,047. Now, as per the rule, after 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So, clearly I will write place value of 3 in 8,03,047 is 1, 2, 3. Firstly, I will write 3 and after that how many digits? Only 3 digits. I will write 3, 0. Now, compare with sign. Compare. We know what is a comparison. Comparison, we have to see that which number is greater. So, I have given 2 numbers and I have to decide which number is greater. So, the first rule, we need to count the digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 7 digits on the left hand side and on the right hand side there are only 6 digits. So the number or numeral having more digit is always greater than the lesser digit. So I will mark the greater symbol towards 19,18,254. Now on the second part 479346 and here 479358. In this case, the number of digits in the both sides are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6 digit and here also 6 digit. So in this case, we have to compare from the leftmost end. What is the leftmost end? C. The leftmost end is 4. The 4 and 4 are same. Therefore, we can't decide. So we shall move further. Now 7 is also same. So we shall move further. Now 9 and 9, these are same. Move further. Now 3 are also same. Now 4 and 5. Now here you will see the number on the same places are not same. So which is greater here? 5 is greater here. 5 is greater here. 5 is greater here. Therefore, this number is greater than this number. So I will say that 47 lakh. Just wait. Yes. 4,79,358 is greater than 4,79,346. So this is greater. Now we have to round off to the nearest 10 and 100. So here the given number is 83. We have to round it to the nearest 110. If we have to round off to the nearest 10, then we will see the unit digit, and if we have to go to round off to the nearest 100, then we will see the tens digit. So firstly, rounding off to nearest 10. So now the digit at unit place is 3 and 3 is less than 5. If the number at the unit place is less than 5, then what will you do? Then I will convert the unit digit at 0 and not change the digit at tens place. Therefore, its answer will be 80. Now, in order to convert this, in order to round off to 83 to the nearest 100, we will have to see the tens digit. So what is the tens digit? That tens digit is 8. Now 8 is greater than 5. Therefore, I will convert 8 with 9. And see here, after before 8 there is nothing. It means 0. Yes. So you will increase this one by 1 and you will change these two digits, replace 2 digit by 0. So rounding off to nearest 100 is 100. So similarly here 153. Rounding off of 53 to nearest 10. Now for nearest 10 we have to see the digit at ones place. Now the digit at ones place is 3. Therefore it is less than 5. So I will make this 0 and not change any other digit. So its rounding off to the nearest 10 is 150. Now rounding off of 153 to nearest 100. Now here we will have to see the tens digit. Now what is the tens digit? That is 5. The number, if the number is greater than 5 or equal than 5, then we will increase the digit at 100 place. What is the digit at 100 place? 1. So I will increase this by 1. When I increase 1 by 1, the answer is 2, and I will convert these two digit, replace 2 digit by zeros. So its rounding off to the nearest 100 is 200. Now students, we have to fill in the blanks. Here you will see the first part is 1529 plus fill up is equal to 4237 plus 1529. Here you will see this digit and this number are same. Now what by which number will you fill this place so that the both the side may be same? So I will use 4237. And this rule is called commutative law. If we add 1 plus 2, then that is equal to 2 plus 1. Clear? Now also we know that if we add 0 to any number, then the value of it doesn't change. So the answer is 235. Again, in the third part, 47 plus fill up is equal to 39 plus 47. So what is the answer here? As per the very first part, we will write 47 plus 39 as 47 plus 39 is equal to 39 plus 47. And this rule is commutative law, and this is zero rule or zero identity. Okay, now write consecutive successor and predecessor of 584. So what is the successor? For the successor I will write S, and for the predecessor I will write P. For the successor I will have to add 1 to 554. Now what is the answer? 585. Now 585 plus 1, that is 586. After that 586 plus 1, that is 587. The first one is this, the first consecutive successor is this, after that this, and after that this. So the consecutive successor for 554 are 555, 586 and 587. Now similarly we have to find the predecessor. Now in order to find the predecessor, we will have to subtract 1. 584 minus 1, that the answer is 583. After that 583 minus 1, that is 582, and then 582 minus 1, that is 581. So in the way I can write 583, 582 and 581 are the answers. Now write two subtraction sentences for 9 plus 15 is equal to 24. As we know, addition and subtraction are inverse operations. Therefore, I can write 9 can be derived as 9 is equal to 24 minus 15. This is the first subtraction sentence, and also 15 can be derived from this by 24 minus 9. So these given two sentences are in black. Completes the solution where it is given that write two subtraction sentence for this. So I have written the first sentence is there, that is in the subtraction, and this is the second sentence, that is in the subtraction for the given corresponding addition. Now we have to fill up this. Now if we multiply any digit with 0, the answer is always 0, and if we multiply with any number with 1, then the answer doesn't change, the number is same as. Now when multiply 3 by 1 multiply 3, this number 3 is multiplied by its reciprocal, then the answer is 1. Say here 3 cancel, only 1 is left, so the answer is there. Now the question is to draw the pattern of 16, 25 and 36. Student, you will see that 16 can be derived by with the help of dots, with dots. Now 16 can be derived as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots and another row for 8 dots. Clear? Now also I can make 16 in another way, that is 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. In this way we can also draw the pattern for the 16, and also we can draw the another pattern for that is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now this is the rectangular pattern, this is also the rectangular pattern, and this is the square pattern. Square pattern 4 multiply 4. This is a square pattern. This is a rectangular pattern 2 by 8, and this is also the rectangular pattern, that is 8 by 2. Similarly, we can draw the pattern for 25. Now 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will see the 25 dots have been completed. Therefore, this is the which type of pattern? This is a square pattern where 5 multiply 5. Okay, so this is square pattern. Now similarly 36 can be derived. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now the 36 dot have been completed, and this is a what type of pattern? This is a rectangular pattern. You can make another pattern. This is the pattern of 9 by 4. Also you can make the pattern 4 by 9, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the one row is remaining. So I fill this. Now these 36 dots are completed here. You can see this is also 4 by 9 pattern. This is a rectangular pattern. This is also the rectangular pattern. Another pattern of rectangular shape you can draw by 2, 18 and 8, 18, 2. Okay. So 18 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So these are the 18 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Therefore, 18 multiply 2. This is the pattern. Also we can derive a pattern, that is 2 multiply by 18. So 2 multiply by 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So this is the rectangular pattern 2 multiply 18. Now we will make it another pattern, that is the square pattern. That square pattern will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6, 12, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. So this is the square pattern, that is of the form 3 by 6 by 6. Now this is the answer. So in this way we have revised all the questions which we have done in the regular basis. Now let us start from the very first question. You can see